Look what we got. We got a package. This is like history repeating itself in a good way. It is free ripened fruit. Tree. Ripened fruit. This is a company, Pittman and Davids, and it's from Harlingen, Texas. And Grandma Graham and Grandpa Graham used to send it to us when we were kids with my mom and dad, and then my mom. And they have the best grapefruit. And my mom, we lost my grandmother some years back. So my mother carried on their tradition to have the fruit. I will have to carry that tradition for the kids too. So then you can just get different kinds of, or it tells you what's in it. We have apples and pears and oranges and clementines. Oh, yummy, 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 yummy. Oh, and pears and grapefruit. Wow. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Boom, boom. This is what it looks like. Oh. So this must be the pears. Oh, you know what? I can smell them now. I mean, it's very hard to open. But there's a pear there. Let me show that one to you. And then this looks like a grapefruit. Texas grapefruit is the bomb. And those are the clementines. And I would assume, oh, here's another pear. And another one. And another one. And I'm going to assume then this is the apple. Yep, this is the apple. Sorry, guys. The apple. And then the oranges. Oh, you can smell those pears. They smell so good. The oranges. There you go. And clementine. There. And then, of course, the beautiful, famous, famous, famous red grapefruit. I don't ever remember it being this. How funny is that? Let me get this out. Let me get the name on there. Okay. And so, oh, you can smell that. So, yeah, you got clementine, oranges, pears, apples. So, yeah, I wanted to share this with you. This is, you know, it's Christmas. Oh, this house smells like fresh fruit now. So I just wanted to share this with you. And hopefully tonight you will be able to see the lights from downtown. I'm going to probably take the little camera and video from there. So yeah, we love you, Mom. Thank you. Beautiful. Look at those. Look at that beautiful pear. Oh my goodness. Look, look, look. Beautiful. So yeah, yes. Oh, it smells wonderful. So we need to give the company again. Here's the company. We've always, always had wonderful results from this company. No complaints at all. So we love you. We'll talk to you soon.